I am representing the Consumer Conciliation Committee, the Consumer Conciliation Committee of the Department of Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Government of Goa. Now, this Consumer Conciliation Committee was set up in 2003, and we are in 2026. The hearings happened in Junta House on the first and third Thursday of the month. Now, Mr. Carlos, Jose Carlos, had filed a complaint at the Conciliation Committee, and in this Conciliation Committee, the hearing started. So there are multiple parties. First party is HGPDA, then second party is Urban Health Center Madgaon, third party is the Pollution Control Board, fourth party is the Margao Municipal Council, and fifth party is the Principal Chief Engineer PWD. So many hearings happened, and in the hearings there were advocates appointed by HGPDA did not attend any single hearing. The Pollution Control Board and Margao Municipal Council were represented by their respective legal counsels, and after consulting with them, they also felt that a site inspection would be best helpful for all parties to look at it jointly, and also for the complainant. Now the complainant, he will talk separately, but I am just giving you overall brief. The complaint basically before the Conciliation Committee was deficiency of services. So I will give you copies of the Consumer Protection Act in a short, so you have an understanding what it is. This unique system provides the consumer to file a complaint before going to consumer court. Okay, so his grievance or deficiency was basically that the lifts are not working in the building. That is one. And when he's moving in the market, there are broken drainage, there are broken footpaths, smell is coming, stinking, etc. So based on the complaint that he filed, we started adding the additional party. So additional party was Pollution Control Board was added after doctors submitted their letters. Then we have added Municipal Council, and we have added the PWD. So essentially, why this site inspection is being held? To see ground reality, what is the situation in respect to his complaint, and identify what are the solutions. Based on that, we will make one comprehensive report, and Consumer Conciliation Committee submits its information from time to time. We are the members appointed on the committee from the State Consumer Protection Council. Myself and Amita Salatri are two members, and we have an assistant director, Mr. Ketan, who is now the chairman of the committee. So based on that, we will submit our recommendations to the district collector, who chairs the Consumer Protection Council for South Goa, and we will also talk to the concerned department, heads of department, how to find a solution at maximum that will be possible. Now others also may file complaints. That process can go on, but right now what is going on is based on the complaint filed by Carlos Gas.
What are your primary findings after the?
No, we have just started. We have just started now. So
what you have found out?
no, we have found out number of things. First and foremost, there was some High Court petition, and Pollution Control Board had written to SGPDA that you have to take consent to operate for this whole market, which they have not yet done, not even responded to the letter. Secondly, just now Pollution Control Board also has told, when you have such a big market, there is a need for a proper functioning STP. Okay, so as we go around, we'll start listing from each department what are the things required. आमकां दिसून येता की खूबशे कामां चलता, डेली चलता, आनी गिरायकाक त्रास जाता. सो हे कितें, खंयचो कायदो, खंयचो रूल, आनी कोणेन कितें करपाक जाय, आयज आमी डिटेल आमी नोट करतले. त्या प्रमाणे आमी रिपोर्ट तयार करतले. And the hearing will take place on the I think it was third Thursday. So first Thursday of July. Okay. This is the
मार्केट सुधारलेशें दिसता, पूण कितलेशेच इन्स्पेक्शनां जाली, कितलेशेच
So
डिपार्टमेंटां येवन जाले.
now I will tell you from this what happens. From this we will prepare a report, and this report will go to concerned departments with the writing there that if nothing has been acted by a given time, he is free to start moving the consumer courts. Okay, this will be one of the things. We will also submit, as you know, under the new Act 2019, there is a Central Consumer Protection Authority, that is CCPA. If details sent to them, they can take suo motu action as a government agency sitting at Delhi, what has to be the procedure for markets to operate in any state, and what are the rights of the consumer in respect of shopping in those markets, and what actions they will take subsequently for the corresponding department. No, listen to me. What I'm saying. I am here. Listen to me. I am here representing the Consumer Conciliation Committee, and this site inspection has been ordered by the committee. That is why I am here. So I am pursuing the action as per the.
Why I'm telling you,
Yes,
see,
yes.
now there is no HGPD or
No, HGPDL lady is here. She has come here today. There is an engineer here.
there are high court orders that state that market has to be maintained.
Absolutely, you are absolutely right, and I personally taken photographs and all that. What I am trying to point out here is that we are following a due process now, which is required under the Consumer Protection Act. We will submit this report, and that report will go to the district collector. It will go to the respective heads of department.
How much time it will take?
No, so next hearing is on the first Thursday of July. So that is 2nd July. Preliminary report will submit that this is what we have found. These are the departments concerned. These are the acts and rules which we have found are not been in operation. That immediately. So we will submit one copy to the collector. One copy will go automatically to our IAS officer, who is the Consumer Affairs Secretary. Okay. This is the immediate step that will be taken.
The NOC for the market was never taken from the health department.
You mean to say that HGPD market is functioning without the NOC?
Yes.
लाईट आम्ही ओन फारी करता पेमेंट लाईट कोण दिता
5 रुपये किलो बदल
5 रुपयान 10 रुपया पडटाय ते हाली सोफा क्लीन करपाक गार्बेज व्हरपाक आमी दिवपाक रेडी आसले आमी तांकां जायते फावट रिक्वेस्ट केले आमी पयशे तुमकां 10 ना 20 रुपया दिता तुमी आमकां मेनू दिया कितें दितले ते आमकां सर्वीस कशें करून बरोवन दिया ते तोंडान सांगताय दितले आमची ओन नो स्टॉक एग्रीमेंटाचेर आसा 99 इयर्स फूल अमावंट दिता आमी
मिडिया पोचला म्हणून आपल्याकडे
कोण ते पेपरच कोण ना मरे लोकांचे कितले ते लोकांचे पेपर पैसे भरलेले आगले पेपरच करून ना लोकांचे पेपर कोण ना कसो खाता तूं बाट गेल्यात बाटा पेपर करपा ना मागीर तेणी दिवपाक कितले फावट सांगले एकलो येता एकलो वयता गव्हर्मेंट काडटा आनी वास्कोचे चेअरमॅन काडटा मडगांव घालता वास्कोचे चेअरमॅन मडगांव घालपाचे दिगंबराक घाल मरे हिंगा आनी ताका दाखय तेजे तोंडार पूण लोक मारतालो तूं बाबा हें कितें करता मडगांव क्लीन करता कोण ना ते सांगताले तो वास्को वयता एक सायन मारता आपणाचे यार कितें आहा वर्क प्रायवेट वर्क आहा तो करता वास्को धांवता इवन खबर देखून आसना येवन गेला चेअरमॅन उदक एक टॅप आसा उदकाचो एक टॅपाचें उदक सगळे लोक व्हरून दनपारां वतात सकाळीं वतात सांजचे वतात आनी आपणाच्या इन्स्टॉलान दितात आनी सर्वीस कसली आसा म्हाका
वास्को आतां होलसेल मार्केट काडू ना मरे
ते होलसेला मार्केट तेणी पळोवपाचें आमी गेले मार्केट आमी सांगता होलसेल कोण ना
कितले जाण गेले कितें एक्शन जालां
कांयच ना आमी कितले जाण उलयले बी वचोन ते कडेन एक्शन बरें कोत्ता म्हणटा येता कोण तूं खबरच घेयना खबर गेल्या जाल्यार सांगूं जातलो असो जावन बेजार जावपाची खबरच घेतल्यो हांव म्हणटा कितें पूण चेअरमॅन घालता तो वास्कोचो घालता तूं मडगांवचो घाल न्हू आतां आमचे सेमाक खबर ना खंयचे दोतोर खूंय घालपाचें तें दोतोरा तुका तुमी सांगतात जाल्यार वचपाक दोतोरा कडेन दोतोर आसना जाल्यार कोणाक सांगताले वचोन
तुमी सांगले न्ही पयशे वाडोवन दिले जाल्यार आमी घेता दिता म्हणून
आमी दिताय म्हूण सांगलें तांकां दिताय म्हूण तांकां कितें सांगलें आमकां विकाल्ल्यान आमकां फिनायल किल्ले पाट मारतलो क्लिनर्स किल्ले पाटी धुतलो किल्ले पाटी उदक आमकां केल्ले पाटी दितलो आमकां म्हणलें मेनू दी तुवें सगळें दिता म्हणटा ते सगळें दिता म्हणलें तोंडान सांगलें जायना बरोवन दी म्हूण सांगलें हांव म्हणलें सगळ्यांक कॅचिंग करता होम्याचेर अमके दिसा हे भाशेन सर्वीस आमकां आहा आयज सोमराक खाली धुतले कचरो वतले फिनायल घालतले खंयचे एक दिसाक फिनायल घालतले एक दिसा धुतले सगळें बराबर कर म्हणना तुमी सर्वीस दिता जाल्यार बरोवन दिवपा जायना आमकां ते दिवपाक रेडी ना बरोवन मागीर लोक पयशे कशे दितले तुका
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.